Hey, I'm Nick. I've been live streaming for a while now. I'm actually known for doing marathon live streams where I'll stream sometimes for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, even 6 hours at a time. I know, crazy, right? But because of that, I've made a lot of mistakes along the way. So in this series, I'm gonna teach you everything that I've learned about live streaming so that you don't have to make those same mistakes. In this series, you're gonna learn to take your live streams to the next level so you can stream like a pro. We're gonna cover everything from the best equipment to use for every streaming situation, the concepts of set design and how to grow an audience with live streaming. We're even going to talk about the big questions that nobody really talks about. For example, what happens if you need to go to the bathroom when you're 20 minutes into a 1-hour live stream? It's a real thing, and that can be a real problem. We're even going to cover difficult topics like how do you come up with the actual topic itself that you're going to stream about? How do you know what it is that you're going to stream about? We're going to cover it all, so make sure that you sign up now so you can learn to stream like a pro.